Hi everyone. Welcome back to my kitchen. Hope you're doing well. Hope you're happy. Hope you're enjoying yourself. Please make sure you're happy because happiness is free. Guys, as you can see, we'll be making a special delicacy called yam and beans. So proteinous, in fact, it's a nice and lovely delicacy, guys. Oh my god, sit back and watch me do it in a different style. I'll be making it in my mama's style. Mommy, I'm using your style today. So guys, sit back. I'll be showing you the things I'll be using. That's my beans, that's my crayfish. I always like using enough crayfish for my beans. That's my onions. I don't love onions, but when it comes to beans, I love it. Then that's my yam. I'll be making use of it. Yam is also the main thing. Then my pepper, I always like using dry pepper for it. Salt and maggi. Then my pala fish, my smoked fish. I told you, if you have been watching my videos, you should know that I love pala fish, smoked fish. Yeah, then I'll be making use of vegetable for this special beans and yam. So guys, sit back. Guys, the first thing I'll do is to pick my beans. I'll separate my beans from the chaff, from stones. You know that in beans you will see stones, sand, chaff and all that, so you have to separate your beans. So guys, I'm done. So the next thing to do is to cook my beans. Guys, I always wash my beans very well before cooking, so make sure you wash your beans. After that, put it in your pot, pour water and start cooking your beans. Once I pour in water, I always put some onions in my beans because I always love the taste, the aroma. In fact, I'm not the onions type when it comes to beans. I love onions. So as you can see, I added onions so that they will cook together. I always love the taste. So guys, let's start cooking the beans now. As you can see, it's white beans, iron beans, so I believe it won't take my time. Before adding my yam, so that they will all cook together. Guys, I told you this is a special style. So that is our beans after 1 hour. As you can see, it's getting soft, but not to my own taste. So I will be adding my yam now so that they will all cook together. After that, you see the next thing I will do. Don't forget that I've washed my yam. I cut and I washed my yam, so I'll be adding it into the beans right now. After 20 minutes of adding the yam, as you can see, it's now very okay, both the yam and the beans. So I have to bring it down. So guys, that's our own style of cooking yam and beans. So the next thing I'll be doing is to fry my oil. Inside the oil, you will see my crayfish, you will see my pepper, my fish and everything. So guys, sit back and keep watching. You will love this style, bet me. guys, I just added my oil. You must be generous with your oil. This is beans, my oily beans. Yeah, I love oil when it comes to beans. So as you can see, I've added my oil. I will allow the oil to get hot before adding my onions and other things. So keep watching, guys. Make sure you try this style. Guys, that's my oil and my other ingredients. I think I fried it for like 10 minutes, so it's now okay. So that's my yam and beans. Let me start mixing. I told you this is a special style. Normally I don't like yam and beans, but with this style, oh my god, if you didn't cook it this way, please don't give me, I will not eat. So guys, I'll be adding my oil. You see the way I will mix all together. But before I start, let me just tell you that I divided the oil. I didn't just pour everything. I did it bit by bit. That's the way I'm doing it. So you don't have to pour all your oil. That's the way I do it. I don't know about you, except you want to pour all your oil, because I want, after mixing and cooking, if I want to eat, I'll add little oil on top of my beans. I love it that way. So guys, I've started mixing. Please check your salt at this point. If the salt did not catch well, please you add little salt. I'm still mixing. Mix very well. Make sure you mix very well. Check your salt. Make sure it's okay before adding your vegetable. I thought I will be making use of vegetable for this, so I'm adding my vegetable now. After adding my vegetable, immediately I add my vegetable, I will mix very well and bring it down. Yeah, that's my special kind of beans. My god, you need to taste these beans. You need to taste this yam and beans. It's so delicious, guys. It's so nice. So that is my oil that is remaining. I will add some and mix all together before bringing it down. Oh my god, guys, it's so delicious. Just try this style. If you have not been doing it, please try it. Guys, guys, as you can see, our food is ready. Oh my god, it was so delicious, guys. Thank you so much for stopping by. Hope this video added value to you. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.